So I'm just walking down to the chickens, and some of our currants are ripe. So I'm going to pick some black currants. There they are. Have some. And I'm going to go over here, pick some red currants. And the chickens, they really like to eat these. See, there's a chicken. Come on, chicken. See him? That chicken's kind of scared of me. If I back up, it might work. Nah, okay. I'm gonna pick some. I'm gonna have some. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Try to feed them to a different chicken. I'm gonna find the right chicken. Hold on, you'll have some. There's one. I got it. There's some more. One more chicken. There, I ate them all. So I was walking around opening the chickens and feeding them, and this chicken wants to eat it. It's a caught bird what got wrapped up in the fence. I need to save it. It's around its neck and stuff. I think I'll need to get scissors and cut it out. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna grab some scissors and I'll be right back. I got a pair of scissors. Now I just need to, here's the scissors, I just need to cut it out. Okay, so I'm gonna work on cutting it out. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is, but it's really wrapped up. I even got my scissors wrapped up. So, I think I'm gonna cut the fence from over it, like this. Careful, bird. I'm not gonna cut you. Hold on. And then I can tell there's fence around its neck. There we go. There it goes. It's flying away. Look, it flew way over here. I'm gonna try to find it. Check if there's still a net on it. No. I lost it, but I saved it, so that's good. There's the goat. So, yep, it flew away. That's nice. Now the chickens are like, what the?